Artisan Cordillera by Regional Director Bobby Ganongan. Kasi natin siya magpapalakpakan together. The only team. In fact, sila talaga yung conceptualized ito, they implemented this project, and now we are into our fourth or fifth year. I remember we started it in sometime in 2019. Jovi, RD Jovi, was it 2019? Yeah, 2019. Of course, I would like to thank all the people who participated in this project or program for that matter, because we hold this every year. First of all, I would like to thank and express our heartfelt and sincerest thanks to our skillful chefs who are here today. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And of course, maraming pa tayong chefs dyan sa paligid natin. Our artists and artisans na nandito rin ngayon. To our volunteers. And finally, of course, to our workers from the local government of Baguio and from the other different national government agencies. Dahil sama-sama, this is a product of a collaborative effort. Mga Tako has always been a celebration of community, of togetherness, and of shared values that unite us as Cordillera. And it is a reminder of the importance of supporting one, our sustainable agriculture, and finally, preserving our culinary heritage. So as we bid farewell to another successful edition of Mga Tako, let us carry forward the spirit of this festival, the spirit of unity, the spirit of appreciation and celebration. So let us continue to support and uplift our local community, especially those involved in the culinary business, some food business, and to all the other industries, so that they may thrive for generations to come. Again, the word sustainability. And I would like to emphasize that word. Thank you once again to all the organizers, to all the supporters, our volunteers, our participants and guests, to all our visitors and the local residents of Baguio for making this event a resounding success. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. God bless you all. Mabuhay.